Hey everybody, still a lot of people ask me what's in the injector kit, how much is the injector kit. So I'm going to run through within about 10 minutes. I'm going to do my best to keep it short as I can and include all the info. But if you want more, we've got playlists. One's called How to Buy My Kits. It's probably got the videos in there. I've done this before. Prices change over time. I don't like to talk about it too much because they do change and then it's inaccurate. The best way to get the prices is to text me. What I'll tell you about this kit is it's good, not cheap. It's got first quality, genuine or OEM injectors that are checked. They're not damaged. They're not remanufactured. They're not counterfeit, and they're not second or third quality or rebuilt or any of those. You just get proper stuff if you get it from me. So it's the best value for money kit you can get. It's comprehensive with the best customer service in the world, and you get in the VIP group amongst thousands of other people that have done the same thing now. So what's in the kit? 4 brand new injectors. The only thing you want to be putting in your vehicle, that's what I put in mine. When you replace the injectors, you must replace the fuel pipes. And that doesn't mean you had a fuel leak and you replaced the pipe 6 months ago and now you're getting new injectors and you can reuse the pipes. In my opinion and experience and best understanding, when you replace the injectors, you must replace the fuel pipes. There's a lot of reasons. Slightly different machining surfaces, up to 160,000 kPa. That's 35,000 PSI if I just remembered and got all my numbers right. Massive pressure at these, where these join onto the injectors. You don't want to be mucking around. So with new injectors, new pipes, you don't want to put dirty old pipes anywhere near new injectors. This is why we just do the whole kit. We do it properly. You want to get in the VIP group, watch the videos. It's for clients only. It's on Facebook. 4Before Diesel VIPs. After you make your payment for this kit, text me. Text message is the only way to make contact. Later in this video, I'll show you some of our Facebook pages and that. I haven't done that for a while. So injectors, pipes, of course, brand new fuel pipes, genuine, right? Okay. What else do you need? You need seals and gaskets. You're going to get a valve cover. You're going to get the nozzle seals there, the ones that go outside the injector pipes there. The top solenoid seals, you may or may not need those, but they're included in the kit. Free set of injector clamps. You may not use those. They're in the kit. Don't bother sending them back to me. I don't want them if you don't use them. Spare injector seats. The injectors come with those, as you can see, but what if some were to get damaged, or let's say in another 5-10 years you can't get new injectors? You might just want to reseat these because they don't last forever. Follow the info on the video. Spare seats. These little black washers, they're the ones that go under the clamps. The return line gaskets, single use only, genuine gaskets. 5 of those 5 go on the injectors. The 6th one is if you do the manifold, it goes outside the head. Don't get those mixed up. A lot of people have got those mixed up because they don't watch the videos or don't watch enough. It's a big job. There's lots of pitfalls. You really can't trust who you let work on your car these days. Most people are going to make mistakes, as you've seen in the videos. It's a real thing. Inlet manifold gasket, EGR gaskets, the MAP filter. I said valve cover gasket, didn't I? What else? There's a bit of an optional extras kit. So what's not included unless you pay the extra $132? Now, this is an optional thing. Just to keep it clean, you can not do this or you can do this. If you pay the optional extra $132, you get the molly coat, which I think retails for about 50 bucks. Really rip-off expensive tube of stuff. But I like it, I use it, you use a little bit. Most people, it's going to last them a lifetime. So you get your molly coat, you get a tube of ultra grey, which you might already have in stock and have at your local auto store. You get a 17mm crowsfoot spanner, which is what you need for the fuel pipes, and you can go ahead and grind that down a little bit if you need to. A lot of people have done that. I'll grab another one here because there's more of a story with these things. So molly coat, ultra grey, crow's foot. You get caps because if you do your manifold, you want to cap the common rail so dirt doesn't go in there. So we include caps. Don't assume they're clean. You clean them with brake cleaner, carby cleaner before you use them. You get a dowel like this. It may or may not have a screw in it. I don't supply it with a screw in it, but people put it in because then you can put it on your little impact driver or drill and spin it around with the rags. Same way we showed in the video to do the job right the first time. You'll have your own tools to check your valve clearances or buy a feeler gauge. You don't need to do a compression test. There's a lot of old videos. Things have evolved. Watch more recent videos. Go into the playlists. Look at the more recent ones. You've got a lot of catching up to do. One thing for sure, I'm here to help. The reason I do this is to keep you out of trouble. We love these 1KDs, last of the best. That's what I choose to keep and use traveling Australia. And we've got a unique boutique small business that's set up with everything you need to help you, the videos and this info. I can't do them all. I'm not here to chase the business and make the money. Otherwise, I'll be doing a set of injectors every day. That'd be awesome. Be making so much money. But anyway, What I can't do is not do this, because that would leave you trying to source all these parts, all sorts of different places, and ending up with a lot of aftermarket stuff problems, no videos, no group on how to do it. And these things are really problematic because there's a lot of counterfeit stuff out there. They do a really good job. It'll just looks too good to be true, probably is. You got some diesel shop importing them from overseas, whatever quality for what, from what country, what part number, whatever. Good luck with that. These are just proper injectors. Yep, you do need scan equipment to enter the conversation codes and do pilot learns and all this sort of thing. Much more details in the videos. I did say I was going to keep this short and sweet. I just want to mention a couple other things. The other reason to change your injectors is not just because they're old and flogged and not working right. Wrong combustion, which will contribute on these sorts of diesel engines and other makes and models as well to crack pistons if you don't change them. Okay, wrong combustion. The other thing that can happen is these injector seats I mentioned, they don't last forever. They go under the bottom of the injectors, and that's what seals the compression from the cylinder blowing past the injector. If it does leak, then it takes out this O-ring here that keeps the oil in this oil gallery up here. The oil comes down, and then that compression bakes the oil, and all those bits get pushed back up into the oil gallery, gets the oil pickup, blocks your oil pickup, your engine gets starved of oil. Next thing you know, you're on the side of the road, or you've got a turbo with a siren that you need to replace, and your next problem is your bottom end's about to go bad, and then you might hear your piston hitting on your head or something like that, tap, tap, tap. Well, these are awesome engines. A lot of these things have happened to people, and it's all because the correct, proper maintenance hasn't been done, wrong procedures, wrong parts. Please, you just need to be really careful and avoid where you get your parts from and the procedures, who you take your vehicle to. Hey, each to their own. You make your own decisions what you do. But the amount of people that have said to me, oh, I've got this guy, you know, he's ex-Toyota. And that doesn't mean some ex-Toyota, they're all bad. But I've heard a lot of stories of this ex-Toyota. I've got this really good mechanic. Oh, I've got this guy. I was like, oh, yeah, no, he goes, yeah, we've done a few. And it's really hard. I can't tell you who's okay and who not, other than our workshop partners. So if you're in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Perth, whatever, right? Did I say that too? Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Perth. Anyway, we've got workshop partners, right? And there's only one in each state, because that's the best person I know of that's proven to me, the best person I know of in each state that can do the job. And we haven't got someone in every state. Your next best option is watching the videos, or you might get in the VIP group and you might see someone that contributes a lot. They've done a few sets of injectors, and people are here to help. And, you know, for some slabs of beer or bottles or some cash or whatever, people will probably help out, even if you guys do it together, whatever. We've got an awesome community. And if you need help getting this done right, it's probably your best solution. So different injectors, different prices, because there's different injectors, there's different fuel pipes, prices fluctuate, but you're not going to get a proper injector kit from me for under $3,000, maybe if you come and pick it up with a folding. But anyway, if you delivered anywhere across Australia, express post, my best thing is to say to you, budget to $3,500, probably be less than that, could be more, depends if you go for the extras kit and where pricing's at the time. This is a video in April 2024, hope it helps. Bada bing, bada boom, baby, that's what's in the injector kit, and budget $3,500, more or less. Thanks for watching. We've also got the BFE kit, that's currently $836, but don't rely on that, because that hasn't gone up a lot over the years. You know, it started off over 10 years ago at around $700. We've added in the thermostat seal. So we've added in things, hasn't gone up much really. So that's probably due for an adjustment soon as well. Front wheel bearing assemblies on the shelf ready to go, $1,200 for the pair. Best value for money. If you went to Toyota and got your Prado bearing, your hub, put it all together, but after you do all the work, it's going to cost you more. Why wouldn't you just get it already assembled? Bang, delivered to your door, bada bing, bada boomski. All right, I've waffled enough for 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on, and keep loving your 1KD-ftv. Catch you later. Last thing, it's in other videos, but I didn't say it. If you pay the $132 for the extras kit, and then if you return your old injectors for a free contamination check after texting me to confirm the address before you do, because it changes and sometimes we can't accept returns. If you do return your old injectors for a free contamination, and those old items, and they're still in usable condition, like that's a new one, that's a used one, usable condition, if you do return them because you don't want them, you get a $220 credit, which could be used towards your BFE kit or your wheel bearings or something later on, or your next set of injectors. But not a refund, but a $220 credit if you return those items and the old injectors. Has to be a full package, both, not either. But if you do either, we might work something out for you anyway, but no guarantees. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya. that's how it works. Oh, I was going to show you the groups, wasn't I? A bit of an old page on the wall, 4x4 diesel. We don't use Messenger, so don't hit me on Messenger. It's text messages only. The Proto Hospital Facebook page if you're in Australia. These are some of our Facebook groups. Oz Proto Crew, Oz Hilux Crew if you're in Australia. If you're anywhere in the world, Toyota, 1KD-ftv injectors and engine. There's the engine groups, client only group. Maximum information, 4x4 diesel VIPs. Answer the 3 questions. When did you buy your kit? And there's more. This is an old piece of paper. Even that old YouTube channel is not 4x4 Touring Australia, it's 4x4 Adventures. Catch you there. Another old one, but it's actually got the phone number you can send the text message to, which is listed on the Proto Hospital Facebook page. And you should check the Proto Hospital Facebook page before you send any text messages. What do we got down here? There it is, 4x4 Adventures, that's been corrected. We've got the gold class, that's people that know about the Crack Piston Fund. I've just put the baits out there. It's up to you to follow the trail, watch the videos, look after your vehicle, and get in on all these things. But there's the information you want. Monday morning, 7:30 a.m. for the text message if you want the parts is ideal. But follow that Proto Hospital Facebook page because we do have a few variations and we only do parts to everywhere across Australia, express post. Unfortunately, there's too many variables with supplying parts across the world and we haven't got a bigger setup for that. And if you you know, bada bing, bada boomski, you know, best customer service in the world. There it is, you can pause that one. And I think there's no private information there other than what I just covered. That's one of the reviews for you, and there's plenty more like that one. Catch you on the next one, people. See ya.